In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't add card to ApplePay iPhone. If ApplePay isn't letting you add a card, don't worry. This walkthrough will take you through a clear sequence to get things working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Apple Pay needs a reliable connection to verify your card. If you're on Wi-Fi, check that the signal is strong and that other apps can load content. If Wi-Fi seems flaky, switch to mobile data or vice versa, just for this test. A quick confirm here saves time later. Next, open Settings, go to General, then Language and Region. Ensure your region is set to the correct country where Apple Pay is supported. If your region doesn't match your actual location or isn't on Apple's supported list, Apple Pay verification can fail. Update the region if needed, then back out of settings. Now restart your iPhone. A simple reboot refreshes system services that Apple Pay relies on. After the restart, try adding your card again. You can do this from the Wallet app or through settings, but we'll also try a more thorough route in a moment if it still doesn't work. If you're still stuck, go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Scroll to find Wallet. Tap it, then choose Offload App. Offloading removes the app itself, but keeps its documents and data, which can clear out a glitch without losing your wallet information. After it offloads, tap Reinstall App to bring Wallet back. This is safer than deleting, and it often resolves odd behavior. Once Wallet is reinstalled, restart your device again to lock in those changes. After the reboot, try adding your card again through Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and tap Add Card. Follow the on-screen prompts, making sure the card details match exactly what your bank has on file, including your billing address. If it still fails at this point, the issue may be on the bank or card issuer's side. Sometimes new cards need activation, security systems flag an attempt, or the specific card type isn't enabled for Apple Pay. Reaching out to your bank or card issuer is the next step. They can check the status of your card for Apple Pay, lift any security holds, or confirm eligibility. That's it. Work through these checks in order, and you'll resolve most add to wallet issues quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple